guys, this tool will definitely be able to help you out in tracking the performance of all your websites. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of PrimeLink. Link to this will be in the description of the video. If businesses are still relying on basic link shorteners in 2026, then guys, they may already be falling behind. So this digital landscape, guys, has actually evolved, and the link management is no longer just about shortening or compressing the website link. PrimeLink positions itself as a modern solution that is actually designed to improve and meet the growing demands of creators, marketers, and online businesses, rather than just offering simple redirection. And the platform is offering that tracking, the branding, as well as the measurable conversions that you could actually monitor. Now, our sponsor for today will help you find leads even in those darkest places. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, guys, helping out marketers just like myself. So if you need targeted data that actually converts, Lead Sniper is your best bet. So they have Google Maps Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and they have a lot more tools that are coming out. So go ahead and check them out. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Let's continue. PrimeLink provides clean and professional short links that enhances the brand's credibility while also maintaining that polished online presence. Now, beyond those aesthetics, the platform integrates the advanced tracking and analytic tools that deliver those meaningful insights, and it's actually going to give you a better grasp, right, of monitoring and knowing what's happening. Is it effective? Do you how much traffic are you getting on this link, or how much traffic are you getting on that one? So those are the type of things that you will be able to, get and analyze. And of course, from that data, you will be able to adjust and know where you need to improve and what are actually the ones that are doing well. So users will be able to monitor the clicks in real time and analyze the geographic data and identify that types of devices that are being used. So this level of detail is going to allow the businesses to understand the audience behavior as well as the engagement pattern. So which part of the website is working well, which part of the website needs more attention or improvement or something like that. So for advertisers and marketers as well, this actually translates into improved campaign optimization and clearer performance evaluation. So the detailed analytics makes it easier to refine the targeting strategies, enhance the ad performance, and increase the overall conversion rates. And you would be able to get more information right here, guys. So you have solutions. You also have the pricing, the blog, and the resources. And of course, I want to make sure that you are always doing your own research. So make sure to check out their websites. All of the necessary information that will be very helpful for you will be available here. And look at this. There are integrations here. You can connect your links to third-party applications that they could share information, such as the traffic, the analysis. You have Slack, Zapier, you have WordPress. All those are actually very well known. You have Facebook here and X. Those are the top social media platforms that everybody is actually doing. If not all the people in the world have social media or has Facebook or X, majority of the people, maybe 70 or 80% of the world's population already uses social media. So that integration is actually going to be very, very helpful for you. So, and additionally, guys, the ability to track return on investments is more effective and helpful to businesses that allocate resources with greater confidence. Now, in 2026, guys, PrimeLink is representing more than a link shortener. It is already serving as a strategic tool for growth, insight, and measurable digital performance. So make sure to go ahead and check them out. Again, link to this will be in the description of the video. Explore all the parts of the websites. That way you can gain more knowledge on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that can be helpful for you that would make your businesses more efficient and improve the profitability of all your e-commerce stuff. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.